We are almost at the end of the test preparation. Here is question number 13, which is on exponential functions transformation. Complete the chart below. So we have a table here whose columns are base, image, transformation, domain and range. And we have two functions. So for the first function, we are given the image of the function. We need to find base and transformation and also domain range of the given function. For the second function, we are given base of y equals 2 to the power of x and the transformation is given to us. We need to figure out what should be the function after transformation and what can be its domain and range. So you can copy the question, pause the video. And once you've done the solution, you can look into my suggestion. Now here, the first one is y equals to 3 to the power of 2x plus 4 minus 5. Base clearly is y equals to 2 to the power of x. So we can write base as y equals to 3 to the power of x, right? 3 to the power of x. Now to write transformation of this kind of a function, it is very important to factor 2 and then write. We can write this equation as y equals to 3 to the power of 2. And when you factor out 2, you get x plus 2, right? Minus 5. And now it is simpler to write down the transformation. So the transformation is, let's start from left to right. So this 2 is horizontal compression by a factor of half, right? We can write here horizontal compression by a factor of 1 over 2. And the second one is translation, 2 units to left, right? So it is 2 units left, and then we have 5 units down, right? 5 units down. So that is how you can write transformations for this function. As far as the domain and range is concerned, now as you can see, it has been translated 5 units down, right? And because of that, the range has changed. There is no change in the domain. Domain is all real numbers. We can always write domain is x belongs to real numbers, right? So that's the domain. That's your domain. Now as far as the range is concerned, let me write range as y belongs to real numbers, but what is the condition? Y is, in this case, because move 5 unit down, so it is y is greater than 5, right? So that is the range for the given function. Now let's move on to the next part. Y equals 2 to the power of x, and the transformations given to us is reflection on x-axis, shift of 1 unit left and 4 units up, right? So what we can do here is reflection on x-axis means that there is y equals to minus, right? So it is 2 to the power of x, the function is 2 to the power of x, and that is reflection on x-axis, shifting 1 unit left, right? So only 1 unit left and 4 units up. So 1 unit left affects the exponent, so it will be x plus 1, that moves 1 unit left, and 4 units up means plus 4. So that is what the equation should be for this particular function, right? Now if it is moved 4 units up, that means the range has changed, so it is the horizontal asymptote is at 4. Now here is a reflection on x-axis, that means y is less than 4, right? So that is the change in the range. Domain, of course, is all real numbers, so we'll write x belongs to real numbers. That's the domain for us, right? And as far as the range is concerned, we have y belongs to real numbers, so that y is this time less than 4 since it is reflected on x-axis, correct? So that becomes the range of the function. I hope that's clear. Thank you.